I have to shout over Manoj's voice because he's shouting. पहली बात तो welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. आज हमारे गाने का launch है हवाएं. And more than the song launch, I think this evening is for us to all be together. And welcome Shahrukh, who's come back now. विदेश से वापस आए हैं. And to just have a great time. So please enjoy yourself. And you're all looking beautiful. I love what you all are wearing, all the women. Lovely. And yeah, just have fun and enjoy the song that's going to play out in some time.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much Anushka and of course Shah Rukh Khan everybody.
Thank you very much everyone for being here. जैसा अनुष्का ने कहा, इम्तियाज़ ने कहा, नॉर्मली जब भी हमारी फिल्म रिलीज होती है तो हम उसको एक सेलिब्रेशन की तरह लेते हैं और वो सेलिब्रेशन आप लोगों के साथ ही सबसे बेहतर होता है. So all these venues and all these launches, we actually pay extra attention to it, not in terms of the marketing genius that I am, but in terms of the fact कि आप लोग enjoy करें. So उम्मीद है, लव स्टोरी है फिल्म, बहुत सिंपल लव स्टोरी है. मैं आज इम्तियाज़ को सुबह तंग कर रहा था. मैं 6-6:30 बजे सुबह पहुंचा. मैंने फिल्म देखी और मैं इसे तंग कर रहा था ये बोल के कि मैं सबको कहना चाहूँगा जब ये फिल्म देखने आए तो साथ में अपना दिल ज़रूर लेकर आएँ. Because that's the kind of film it is. Just bring your heart along, watch the film, enjoy it. This is the first step which normally is released in a love story, which is a love song. बहुत खूबसूरत लव सॉन्ग है, बहुत सिंपल लव सॉन्ग है. नाम उसका हवाएं है और आज का जो मौसम है वो ऐसा ही लगता है कि गाने का नाम हवाएं ही होना चाहिए. और बहुत सुंदर तरह से पिक्चराइज भी किया है डिफरेंटली. It's a very cozy song. I hope you all enjoyed. Pritam Da bhi yahan par hai. So I will obviously let the honor of the music being released, or this song at least being launched by Pritam Da. And I would like you please to welcome him with the loudest claps because he's worked really hard with Imtiaz and Irshad Kamil Saab to make this music.
How lovely. Please put your hands together for Pritam Da. Please. And दोस्तों, जिसका हमें इंतजार है वो गाना अब हम सुनने वाले हैं. प्रीतम, it's a pleasure. The entire album is so beautiful. खास तौर से इस गाने की 2 लाइनें कुछ बताएं हमें प्लीज. All in love with you all the time.
Actually, if the girl is as beautiful as Anushka, it becomes very easy. So my job is easy. I just have to look at her face and I feel lots of love, and that's how it's out like this.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, Imtiaz Ali, Pritam, Anushka and Shah Rukh Khan, we'll have all our friends from the media to ask a few questions. Please have a seat. Guys, dheere dheere.
One by one, I'm passing the mic
There's
on.
a mic going to be passed.
Hi.
The questions strictly have to be only this movie related, guys. I repeat, the questions need to be only related to this movie and the song.
Hi, Shahrukh. Shahrukh over here. Hi, this is Sohail on your right पे.
हाँ, Sohail.
यहाँ.
Sorry.
Hi. बारिश हो गई और मौसम रोमांटिक हो गया.
अब हम छत खोल ही देते हैं यार. मेरा बहुत दिल था ये गाना एक्चुअली बारिश में लॉन्च करें.
Oh, great.
Everybody should get wet, so माशाल्लाह.
Yeah, Shahrukh, you are known as a king of romance. और ये गाना भी एकदम ही रोमांटिक है, very touchy है. How special was this song for you and what was the experience actually?
Actually मैं बहुत fortunate हूँ सुहेल. जब भी डायरेक्टर्स और म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स मेरे लिए गाना करते हैं तो उनके दिल में कोई एक आई थिंक कुछ रेपुटेशन सी बस गई है कि मेरे गाने अच्छे हैं, जो ऑब्वियसली मेरी वजह से बिल्कुल नहीं है. सो दे ऑलवेज वर्क, आई वोंट से हार्डर, आई थिंक एवरीबडी वर्क्स वेरी हार्ड, बट आई थिंक दे जस्ट हैव अ स्पेशल प्लेस इन देयर हार्ट फॉर सॉन्ग्स फॉर मी. सो आई रिमेंबर ये गाना हमने आखिर में किया और जब भी इम्तियाज़ ने दादा से बोला तो दादा ने यही बोला, आप फिक्र मत करो, ये गाना तो मैं कर लूँगा. So I think it's just come out of love. As we speak also, we are still doing this song for the film. अभी भी चल रहा है इस पे काम. But I think I'm just very fortunate that the music directors, the writers, the director himself, they really look at me with a lot of love when a love song comes. And like I was telling, जो मेरे सामने जो मेरी महबूबा हैं, जिनसे मैं प्यार करने लगता हूँ फिल्म में, वो इतनी खूबसूरत हैं कि बाकी काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है. जस्ट टू एक्सप्रेस अ सॉन्ग लाइक दिस, सो वेल रिटन एंड सो वेल कोरियोग्राफ्ड एंड थॉट ऑफ.
Anushka, how is it romancing Shahrukh every time on the screen? Or maybe like...
Extremely easy. You know, he has a lot of genuineness. If you see this song, his eyes have a lot of genuineness when he looks at you in love. So whatever he's saying कि बगल में कौन सी लड़की है, सामने कौन सी लड़की है, वो देख के मैं रोमांस करता हूँ. But in my opinion, Shahrukh can romance this mic also. And look at the mic with the same kind of love, he would look at the most beautiful woman in the world.
As long as you're holding it, I can romance it. Otherwise, no.
So it is very easy and it's beautiful for me. I mean, to do a film with him in which I'm doing a romantic film with him and to shoot a romantic song with him, it's a great feeling inside. It feels very good. And then to see it on screen and then Preetham Da ka gana itna अच्छा music दिया है. The song is so beautiful. The lyrics are so amazing. इरशाद कामिल ने जो lyrics लिखे हैं मुझे बहुत बहुत पसंद है. Like मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, तो मेरे को बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है गाना, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Hello. Hi, Shahrukh. I'm
Hi.
Khushbu from Stardust.
Say your name again, darling.
Khushbu Tiwari
Khushbu,
from Stardust.
Khushbu, yeah.
Yeah.
Closer to the
So I wanted
mouth.
to ask you, can you, is it audible?
थोड़ा सा ऊंचा बोलो खुशबू.
Yeah. So I was asking, how do you relate yourself to Harinder the character?
एक्चुअली इम्तियाज़ ने जब ये कैरेक्टर लिखा था, आई थिंक नॉर्मली डायरेक्टर्स अपनी ज़िंदगी में से कुछ हिस्से, एक्सपीरियंसेस या सोच या समझ निकाल कर कैरेक्टर लिखते हैं. और मैंने पहले भी बोला है एंड आई विल से इट अगेन, आई थिंक इम्तियाज़ जो हैं कोई भी स्टोरी एक लड़की के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ज़्यादा सोचते हैं. व्हाट अ गर्ल वुड फील एंड व्हाट वुड अ गर्ल लाइक अ कैरेक्टर और एन एक्टर और अ मैन टू बी लाइक. And I kind of, मैं उससे इस बात में बहुत, how do I say, I kind of agree with him emotionally. So there is a lot of us in different ways, not necessarily the experiences that Imtiaz has had and I have had are similar, but somewhere there's a lot of us in Harry. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो हम बात करते वक्त समझ भी जाते थे बोलते वक्त कि यार हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है ना अलग अलग जगहों पे. So I relate to it a lot. Obviously, you know, when you play a character, the space is different, the setting is different. Maybe we've not been there, but somewhere the feelings are quite familiar to me also, as Shahrukh and as Harinder.
Thank you.
Hi Shahrukh, over here, Himesh here. Towards your, yeah. Hi. First of all, the song looks amazing.
Thank you.
And my question to you is, you know, whenever your film releases, you explore new markets in terms of releasing the film. So what kind of release can we expect from this film as far as the screen count is concerned in India as well as abroad?
I'm sorry, I don't know the details because I don't look into it. We have a head Gaurav who does that. But I think a lot more this time. Of course, our traditional territories will always be there. Some of the traditional territories for our films are kind of non-traditional, like Germany and all that we release our films in France. I think we are doing a little more in Europe and maybe South America, I've been made to understand, apart from the traditional markets. And hopefully, every day as the film release comes closer, I think the new markets that the team with Gaurav heading it and Yash Raj, which is distributing it for us, is looking into it. I don't know the exact screen count, I'm sorry. I can find out, but right now I don't know.
Thank you. And Imtiaz sir, you last time said that the film has been censored and given US certificate. Could you say the runtime of the film?
The what of the film?
The runtime?
And runtime.
Runtime, yeah.
It's 220
Okay.
approx. Because the rolling title is still, you know, being done, so it will be a little plus or minus, but you can expect it to be around 220. And yes, we got a UA from the committee without cuts, and we are very happy with their judgment.
Hello, this is Josh from Stardust. Hi. I wanted to ask, I think everyone over here liked the, sorry for my voice. I think everyone over here liked the song a lot. What do you think about the movie? Is it going to be that, is it going to match the song or is it going to be even better? What do you think, any of y'all?
It's a nice question, Josh.
Thank you. All three of them.
This is, Okay. See, I'll tell you honestly, मैंने कल देखी है फिल्म, अनुष्का ने भी देखी है, इम्तियाज हर रोज देख रहे हैं. I think most of the team here has seen it. You actually, when you reach this stage of filmmaking, because we are all so involved in it, I think Anushka not only as an actor, as a friend, also somewhere at the back of her head, being a producer herself, Dada, because day and night we are sitting there. Imtiaz, of course, has to be the most involved, and he is, round the clock. I think you lose objectivity, you know, when you're so close to it. So it's like your baby. I mean, if you ask me, is Abram more beautiful than we think he is? I'd say yes. But that is a bias, and that's how we all believe about the film right now. It's our baby. It is more beautiful than anything in the world, and God forbid, if it is not as beautiful, it'll be even dearer because we love it so much. So for us to be able to say it openly, मैं मार्केट के अंदर आके बोलना शुरू करूँ, सुपर हिट पिक्चर है, मिलिट्री बुलानी पड़ेगी, पागल हो जाएंगे लोग, एडवांस ये है. I don't know. I hope all that happens. I really wish, because we're all into the business also. I really hope to God. And I really pray. It's a very simple love story. I hope a lot of people like it. That's the bottom line all of us want. So I don't know if it is better than what it's looking like or it is worse. It's a nice film, yeah. Just like I said, bring your heart along, you love it.
Hi, Shivangi this side from Aaj Tak. On your left. Here. Hi. So सबसे
You
पहले
look very nice with this, yeah.
थैंक यू. सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, गाना बहुत खूबसूरत है और हम सभी को बेहद पसंद आया है. दूसरी बात, जब भी रोमांटिक गाने की बात आती है तो चेहरे की बात होती है, हुस्न की बात होती है, लड़का लड़की की तारीफ करता है या फिर लड़की लड़की की तारीफ करती है. किसी ने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हवाएं शब्द से कोई रोमांटिक गाना इस तरह से बन सकता है. तो ये आइडिया किसका था और ये शब्द कैसे इजाद हुआ या आपके गाने में कैसे आया?
गाने में हवाएं जो शब्द है वो इरशाद कामिल की तरफ से आया है. बिकॉज कुछ ऐसे हालात हैं गाने के आसपास जो इस रोमांस को हवाओं से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं होता कि हवाएं कहाँ से चल रही हैं और कहाँ को ठहरेंगी. तो इनकी जो रिलेशनशिप के हालात उस वक्त थे वो ऐसे थे, और वो आप जब पिक्चर को आगे देखेंगे तो समझ में आता है कि अच्छा हवाएं किस तरफ बह रही हैं. सो हवाएं का ये है. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि आपने इस चीज़ को नोटिस किया कि वो एक अलग सा शब्द है जिसको हमने रोमांटिकली यूज़ किया है. मगर वैसे देखा जाए, जब हम लोग यहाँ आए थे तो इस वेन्यू में जब हवा चल रही थी तो कितना रोमांटिक फील कर रहे थे. तो होपफुली आप भी उतना ही रोमांटिक फील करेंगे जब फिल्म का ये गाना देखेंगे.
Thank you so much.
Hi Shahrukh, this is Mini from India Today. Wonderful song.
You'll say your name again, please.
Mini
Hi,
from
Mini.
India
Hi.
Today. Wonderful song, firstly. And since it's a love story again, people love to see you in that avatar. We have always been loving you in this genre. And I'm sure all the wives and girlfriends out there would be asking their husbands and boyfriends to learn from you. But on the contrary, we have repeatedly heard you saying that you are not so fond of this genre and you really don't like love stories. So do you think somewhere this image of yours pose as a biggest strength and it acts in your favor and things never go wrong
मैं
with this love
controversial बात
story?
बोलूं. I love making love. I don't like watching it. अच्छा है ना ये? हाँ, कि मुझे making love is happier than just watching it. तो मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, मैं करता हूँ.
But then do you think it always acts in your favor? It never goes wrong, and probably with Harry Met Sejal too.
तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, करने दो ना मेरे फेवर में. अच्छा ही है ना अगर लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं. बट जेन्युइनली मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, इट्स नॉट कि आई डोंट लाइक लव स्टोरीज. आई थिंक थोड़ा मिस इंटरप्रेट है. इट्स जस्ट दैट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम, आई एंजॉय कॉमेडी मोर बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव आई एम अ बॉय. तो मुझे एक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लव स्टोरीज भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ देम बिकॉज ऑफ माई डॉटर नाउ. ऑल ऑफ देम. वो क्या है, 21 days, 27 dresses, 13, सब चीज़ें देख चुका हूँ मैं, और मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगती हैं. एंड आई जस्ट टेल यू अ मोमेंट, मैं यही गाना कर रहा था, एंड फॉर मी द मोस्ट टचिंग मोमेंट ऑफ द फिल्म इज़ कि मैं कर रहा था तो इम्तियाज़ ने कट नहीं कहा. एंड आफ्टर आई फिनिश सिंगिंग एज मच एज आई रिमेंबर, जस्ट लाइक दादा, द लिरिक्स एज मेनी एज आई कुड रिमेंबर, इम्तियाज़ came and shook my hand and he said, you know, it's really nice. आप अभी भी प्यार वैसा ही करते हो जैसे आपने शुरुआत की थी. It's really nice to see you like that. I feel these things. I genuinely do. It's not that I'm acting it out. Of course, I feel being bad also in movies. I feel being other scenes also. But I guess something just works in this. by some chance, some of the films that I've done, which have been love stories, have done so well, and people have loved them for so many years. I think एक ऐसा माहौल सा बन गया है. I like it. I love doing love stories. मुझसे उस दिन हम जब फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे, अनुपमा चोपड़ा ने पूछा था कि आप again lover बन रहे हो. I'm no longer a lover. I am love. I genuinely feel that in a good way. I'm not being pompous. I am love. I feel it. I understand. I like to analyze it. I like to sense it. And somehow that comes through, I guess, in the movies. And I'm very fortunate that you have a director like Imtiaz. You have an actress like, because I'm very shy. So if you have a friend like Anushka with you, it helps open up. You have music directors and composers who are giving it so much more than I can perhaps bring to the table. So it's a fortunate effort of my team. I think they also like making love. They just don't say
I'm sure
it.
we all do.
Hi, Shahrukh.
Shahrukh bhai, towards your left यहाँ पे. Shahrukh bhai, what's the news for the Diplo news? उसका क्या news है? I mean, when's going to
Sorry?
the Diplo song जो आने वाला है? What's the news about that?
Dada and him have collaborated. मैं LA में था, मैं सुनकर आया और I think it's just been given its final touches now. अभी वो हो गया है. I don't know if I'm saying the right word, but coming of age, feeling of freedom. As a matter of fact, the direction that Imtiaz had given us during the song, it's basically a song about Anushka's character flying free, coming of age, realizing that there is more to life than she has experienced. And it's like a flight she takes off. हमको बार बार इम्तियाज बोलते थे, it's like बेहोशी का आलम, मदहोश हो जाए जब आदमी. So I think that's what it kind of signifies in the film. And फुर, I think उड़ने को बोलते हैं, हवा में फुर हो जाता है. So she's flying. बहुत बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग गाना है और मैंने छोटा सा वीडियो के अंदर पार्ट भी करके आया हूँ, ये वाली स्टेप. ऐसा बड़ा कूल स्टेप करके आया हूँ मैं, ऐसा करके वहाँ पे.
Hi, Shahrukh. To your right. Here, Neha from Bollywood now. Here. Hi. अच्छा, किसी ने अभी कहा कि girls want a boyfriend like Shahrukh. बीवियाँ ऐसे बोलती है, आप शाहरुख जैसे रोमांटिक क्यों नहीं हो? कभी गौरी ने आपसे कुछ कहा है कि आप अनरोमांटिक हो? How are you? Are you a romantic husband?
यार मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ. आई थिंक मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा है. अभी मैं बड़ा शाय हूँ यार ये बातें करने के लिए. बट आई थिंक आई एम गुड कंपनी. I'm good company, I think. I can make you smile, make you laugh, listen to what you say. Yeah. I think, कैसे बोले यार? Yeah, I'm good.
Hi, Pritam. Pritam.
अरे मुझको शर्मिंदा मत करो यार तुम प्लीज, मैं बड़ा शाय हो जाऊंगा मैं. नहीं ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है. वो बस एक बार जब बाजीगर में मैंने छत से लड़की को फेंका था, उसके बाद उसने अपना मुंह नहीं खोला. ये जोक है प्लीज. हाँ, इसको रॉन्ग मत लीजिएगा. हाँ, जो भी.
शाहरुख सर ऑन योर राइट.
मैंने उसको बोला मैं अपने रोल्स बड़ा फीलिंग से करता हूँ. ये ऐसे ही जोक है प्लीज. हाँ, कोई भी बुरा नहीं मानना इसको प्लीज. बिल्कुल जोक है, प्योर जोक. #joke.
Imtiaz, Justin here Pritam, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. My question is to you. This is Shilpa. थोड़ा सा अलग है. रिसेंटली ऋषि कपूर ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि अनुराग बसु को
ये बिगिनिंग ऑफ द
मेरे ख्याल से ये थोड़ा सा नहीं बहुत ज्यादा अलग है. हाँ, इतना ज्यादा अलग है कि हमारी कल्चर इतनी अलग नहीं.
उसके लिए मैं अवेलेबल हूँ बाहर, लाइक आफ्टर दिस, और यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम, एनी टाइप ऑफ थिंग. Shahrukh sir on your right.
Justin here towards your right, near the bar. I mean here.
Yeah, Justin, hi.
Imtiaz, when you're working with Shahrukh, especially in a romantic film and shooting a romantic song, is there a temptation to use the typical Shahrukh Khan-ness that the audience has been used to for over 25 years?
Well, I was very aware and also made aware of the typical Shahrukh-ness when I went to shoot. I have known him personally also over years. So I had already an impression about this man and this actor. I've also seen many of his films and admire them and admire him as an actor. But when I was working, I wasn't either trying to create that Shahrukh-ness or trying to tell him to not come up with it. Because I realized that the Shahrukh-ness is a byproduct of the Shahrukh. And it's unnecessary and kind of stupid to tell him not to be himself. Actually, we didn't worry about it at all. And yes, I'm glad that you asked that question. It's a smart question. It's the honest truth is that I was made aware of it, but I didn't either find it, nor did I combat with it, nor did I try for it.
Shah Rukh, also just continuing, did you miss the quintessential stretching of arms pose in the film? Because we have seen it film by film that you do it.
I think just in its oversimplification, you know, it's a thing now. As a matter of fact, I would myself play to the galleries when I'm supposed to do that. It's not something I do because that makes me or breaks me. You know, I've done it in a few films, and it's become a thing. You know, it becomes like a mannerism of an actor. If I'm told in a film, actually no director ever tells me ऐसा नहीं करना. Because they know मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि छूटते ही हाथ फैला देता हूँ. मतलब क्या सेट पे आती हाय एक्शन ऐसा तो ना है. मतलब so मैं ऐसा करता नहीं हूँ. कभी कभार मजाक में या जैसे फारा हैं डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं, शाह we'll do that. As a joke, we sometimes say, okay, well, let's do it in the film, and you know, it's been a long time. I think if a character of Rais is not meant to do it, I'm not going to break out into it. I think given the parameters of commercial cinema that I act in, I still try to retain the characterization as strongly as I can, knowing the fact that the star sometimes overrules the character. But in my heart, I'm still an actor, however small, minuscule, or unimportant part as an actor in a film. So I don't give vent to कि मैं ये करूँगा. अभी वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Fan के अंदर, it is meant to be. He's a fan of the motive of a star called Aryan Khanna, who's perhaps Shah Rukh Khan, but not necessarily in every film. यार ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को हाथ बांध के रखने पड़ते हैं कि हाथ बांधे रखो वरना खोल देगा. ऐसा नहीं है.
Shah Rukh sir, on your right, sir. Shah Rukh sir, on your right. This is Sonal from Midday. So on your right. Here. Hi. Sir, actually, you became a guest editor for one of our sections called The Guide, you know, and it was received really well. So how was the feeling like to be one of us, you know, to become an editor for a day and, you know, do what we do day in and day out?
It was very nice here. Of course, your team helped me a lot. और बहुत मज़ा आया. मिड-डे का मैं टूर गाइड बना. हालांकि मेरे को मुंबई के बारे में इतनी जगह ही नहीं मालूम है. इम्तियाज़ और अनुष्का के साथ करो तो और भी अच्छी जगह बता सकते हैं. And to be very frank, I have done a journalism course in my mass comm. तो ऐसा नहीं है मैं बिल्कुल वंचित हूँ from understanding mass communication and the job that you do. I have a huge amount of respect for it, and I say this from the bottom of my heart. I know sometimes we have to do things that we also personally don't like, but we all have to sell an idea, we have to sell a dream. So I really enjoyed it here. I wish I could do it. I used to write for a newspaper also for a bit. And I'd like to do it once again, but I take time writing. But it was really good being a journalist for an evening.
Shah Rukh sir, my question is to Shah Rukh sir and Anushka both.
So you've worked with a lot of different directors who are known to give a flavor to romance. So what do you think is different in Imtiaz's concept of